Congratulations, your Happy Meal has arrived. I want to go through the box because I want to make sure you have everything as soon as you get it. Once we start opening things up and we put things in different places, we forget that what we got and where it belongs. So if you will do me a favor and keep everything in this box, so when I do the class, it'll be right at your reach. Okay, so let's open it up. And first off, you will see this is some scrapbook paper that I designed, and it's folded, but not, it's just curved, not folded. So it's all in one nice piece for you to make an envelope out of, okay? And then right underneath that, you have a couple of templates here. The three, you have the card templates, you have an envelope template, and you have the address template, okay? Then you have a hello, because I wanted you to see that first because it's so fun and welcoming, and I'm so glad you are part of this challenge. And then this is going to be a card that goes along with the card day, so don't lose anything. Okay, you will have 5 wax sticks, and then you'll also have whatever design you got for your stamp, okay? You can go ahead and put these together if you want to, and it's super simple. I'm going to put this to the side to show you everything else. But all you do is take them out of the baggie. This is just a protector. And then this is, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. It's just a sticker stuck together. All right, and it just screws on here, just like this. So you'll be ready for our wax seal day. I think that's day 4. This one is the dove. Okay. And then you have a set of washi tape that has 3 different designs. You have a Post-it note, a little Happy Meal Post-it note set. You have a gold and silver marker. You have a set of 4 paint pens, paint markers. They're brush markers. They're kind of different. I'm going to show you how to use them. Okay, and then you'll have this stack of paper. But underneath here, I really wanted you to make sure that you do not lose this. This is your carbon paper. This is for you to trace. And I put it at the bottom and I turned it over like that on purpose because that way it won't like smear on anything. If it does, it'll be smearing on the back of this because it is made to transfer things, okay? And so then if you take this out, that's everything. But let me show you this as I pull it out. So this is the scrapbook paper I told you about that I designed. We'll be making an envelope out of that, and I've already traced this one just as a sample. But see how I didn't want it to fold in half because I wanted it to be perfect for you. That's why it's just curved in there. And then your template. So that's everything.
That's not everything.
But go ahead and put everything back in the box. Oh wait, before we do that, let me tell you what all is going to come in this little kit right here. Okay. So you're going to get this sticker, and a third sticker, which is actually attached to the box. But you just pull this off because it's attached with a glue dot. So if you just pull it off, you'll peel this backing off when you're ready to use it. These are some great stickers. These 3 are waterproof, so you can put them on a tumbler or whatever you want to do with them. They're so cute. I love them. And then this is a magnet, and it's a prayer card. It's made to give to someone in the Happy Meal, or you could, hand it to someone, give it to them in a gift bag. But you are being prayed for. May the Lord bless you and protect you. May the Lord smile on you and be gracious to you. May the Lord show you favor and give you his peace. Numbers 6:24 through 26. So that's the magnet. I also made it for you in this foil card, which is really pretty. I also made it for you in a postcard size that's embossed, okay? And so it's kind of pretty in person. And then on the back, you can write to the to someone. I did not put a return address place because mine are going to be anonymous, but you definitely can write in your postage here if you need to. But someone has been sending me anonymous mail, and it's just so fun. So I just wanted to kind of make this one without a return address. And then here is a sticker sheet set. Okay, so we got that. Then also in that little packet, you will have this other card here. So that this one and the snail one will go together. You have a pink envelope. You have 2 white envelopes. and then you'll have, this is already done, so ignore that this is already done. You will make this, but you won't have that yet. You'll have 3 pieces of this paper, okay? And I'll show you how to use those to make envelope liners and to make this little card with, okay? I hope that's not being too confusing since I don't have it cut up already. And then you will have 2 blank off-white cards. You'll have 2 blank craft paper cards, okay? We have 2 envelopes that go with the off-white, and then 2 envelopes that go with the craft. And that's everything.
That's not everything. Keep watching.
My wish, you can stick this back on if you want, or whatever you want to do with that. But I just want to make sure you get everything back in the box, so when it's time, you'll know right where it is. Oops. See, I left something out. So that is why. You just want to have everything in the right place whenever you need it. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I also am including glue sticks, either 1 or 2. It's 1 long one or 2 small ones for you if you have a glue gun. You may not use these at all if you don't have a glue gun, but if you do, I'm going to show you a fun way to make wax seals with these.
Now, that's
right.
everything.
I'll see you in class.